Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Joy. Today we're going to make this super cute park gift card. This card makes an awesome Mother's Day gift idea, Valentine's or anniversary card, and it's even a sweet birthday card or thank you note. They say it's the thought that counts, and this handmade card will definitely show how much you care. All you need for this is paper and glue. Let's grab some supplies and get started. First, get your double heart card template and trace it onto a thick piece of paper and then cut it out, just like this. Set that aside, then get your single heart template and trace it onto metallic paper. Next, you cut it out, just like this. Now, you want to get a piece of red colored paper and trace a round object onto it. Then, cut that out. We're going to make a couple of these. Cut the circle into a spiral direction, just like what I'm doing here. Start rolling it over from one end until you reach the other end and make sure to secure it with glue. Make a couple of these and set them aside for later. Now you want to get your single heart template again and trace it onto a piece of red colored paper. Make 2 of these. Get the double heart card that you cut out earlier, then glue the red hearts inside, making sure they're centered. Now, fold the card down, then start gluing the rolled paper onto the top of the card. And keep doing this until you've filled it up completely. Now you want to grab your metallic heart and fold it so that the edges meet, forming into a cone shape. And you'll secure that with glue and put it into the bottom of your heart card. Now your card's ready to customize. You can add your own message to the top and the inside of the card, or you could add photos and draw any cute designs that you want. We hope you loved this fun DIY project as much as we do. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, DIY Joy, for more cool crafts like this.